Let's have a look here at the DJI Power 1000 Mini. I have got the Australian version, so it will be different ports, but whatever country you're in, you'll have obviously the relevant ports for your country. You get the information pack as always with a DJI sticker there. Then we've got the main piece here, which I'm just going to have to get out of here without knocking the camera. Let's see how we go. Ooh. There we go. Just move this to the side, just give me a second. There we go, so that's the main piece right there, which we can zoom in on a little bit now. Perfect. There it is right there. And I'll just see what else is in the box. It's a little bit too awkward to try to get it in on the desk. Here we go. So that's everything else that came in the box. Like I said, information was here. Then we've got some different connections for different applications. I would not be able to tell you immediately what they are all going to be, but nice to see that we've got a couple of different connections here. And then there's the power brick, which will obviously be an Australian power brick as well. Let's have a look at the main piece. Ooh, it's got a decent amount of weight to it, but definitely not as much as some of the other power stations they have released. There we go. So obviously you get the handle on the back here. If I stand it up like this, you will see we've got a few different things going on here. So we've got the power button on top here, which I can press and hold and it will power on immediately. We've got a similar display if you've seen any of their other devices. There's a little light down here which is super unique for different applications. If you're out and about exploring, doing all sorts of things, you've obviously got that down there. This cable here is a retractable cable from my understanding. That is nice. So it's like a ribbon cable and you can see it just, you can let go and it just retracts. Let's see how long that is. Still going. Okay, that's the length. So let me let go. Oh no, so you can kind of lock it in place and then you pull it and let go and then it releases it and then magnetically connects on there. So it's not clipping, it's just magnetically connecting into its position again. That's beautiful, very unique like that. Let me just zoom this out so you can see it a little better. Okay, there we go. Alright, so that's it. Like I said, this is for Australia, so I'm going to have the Australian ports, the AC, which you can just press to initiate that. For you in your country, you're going to have different ports here. This is the AC in, that's the charging, which is in here. So we open this up. Again, Australian connection, but that just plugs in to the AC in. And that's how you charge it up, right there. Then you've got the DC in/out, and so it's SDC, which I'm pretty sure is DJI's own design here. So they've got an ecosystem of different cables that you can use in here, and so this is an example of one, which will probably be for your car by the looks of it. Yeah, so this is for your car, as you can see, and that just connects in like so. Really nice connection, bright orange as well, which is super clean. So it comes with that. That's very nice. I don't know about this light, whether you've got more customization over it. What can we do? Is it just a single press? What happens if we hold it? Goes dim. Goes dimmer, I think. Okay, so pressing and holding changes the intensity of the light, I believe. Whoa, okay, you can go into like a strobe mode. That might be a help mode. Anyway, so the light does a few things. I'm just trying different variations of double tapping, which goes into that mode. And then, like I showed you before, pressing and holding changes the intensity by the looks of it. I don't think you can do anything else here. Anyway, so that's that. We've got max 12 watt USB-A ports up here, as well as a max 100 watt USB-C port. Very nice stuff. And then the other piece in here is this guy. It's all protected nicely. Okay, so that's that connection point again, and we've got some different attachment pieces. Yeah, so we've got, actually comes with a fair bit, which is really nice. Obviously that will plug in there. So that's what I got in my kit. If we just have a little bit of a closer look at the unit itself, at the charging system, let's just move everything around so we can see. So obviously top down we've got DJI, we've got the handle. We turn it this way, we've got the fan system here, which is not kicking in just yet because nothing's being charged. There's some air intakes, I would imagine, or ways to disperse heat on that side, as well as on that side. And then underneath it just says, on the side, sorry, it says Power 1000 Mini. And then underneath you've got the little feet, which is quite grippy actually. Really solid. Like that's me trying to, let me just move it so you can see. Like this is me trying to move it. My monitor in the background is wiggling all over the place, but that's solid. That's really solid. So yeah, that's it right there. It's really nice. I like what they've done with this. Super unique design, and then you can connect it up to the app as well, and there's probably even more functionality through it, but that's it straight away. Just initial unboxing and impressions of the design here. And they've done something quite unique. Really like that. Boom, straight back into place. Love that.